nanoCAD 3D Scan is specialized software for processing 3D scanning data and tackling engineering and informational challenges in construction, engineering, surveying, and other related fields. nanoCAD 3D Scan supports data from various sources and can import point clouds from widely used formats such as LAWS, BIN, PTS, PCD, TXT, E57, and others. This flexibility ensures seamless integration into your existing workflows. nanoCAD 3D Scan provides powerful analysis features, including tools to compare point clouds and analyze deviations. Whether you're comparing a model with a cloud or two clouds against each other, these tools are invaluable for reverse engineering, construction phase deviation control, and more, making it easier to quickly assess and validate models. Surveyors will appreciate the geodesy-specific features, such as automatic ground and vegetation classification. The program algorithms automatically identify and sort ground and vegetation points into appropriate classes, with both semi-automatic and manual classification options available. Additionally, users can create TIN or mesh surfaces with ease. For those requiring more advanced topographic analysis, the powerful Topoplan tools expands the program's capabilities. This feature set is perfect for professionals needing to analyze, edit, and create topographic plans, all within a single software environment. nanoCAD 3D Scan also includes tools for recognizing pipelines, making it easy to identify and manipulate pipeline segments. The software detects pipelines as individual objects using specified recognition parameters, allowing you to edit, isolate, and connect components like pipes, bends, tees, and more. The recognized objects can be imported as solid models, which are fully editable in the 3D module. For example, the application supports exporting to the piping component file (PCF) format. The application also features layer-by-layer vectorization, allowing for precise creation of floor plans. Using the clipping tools, you can clean up plans, then connect lines and adjust elements to achieve perfect results. Floor plans generated through vectorization are easily imported into the main platform, which provides extensive drawing, editing, and annotation tools. Cross-sections of any part can also be generated using the same vectorization tools, making this application a comprehensive solution for all your engineering and construction needs. The application offers automatic and semi-automatic point cloud registration using spherical or flat markers and multi-position surveys. Registration can be carried out either semi-automatically through reference points or manually by pairing corresponding points, ensuring precision in aligning scans into a unified point cloud. Automatic registration of point clouds can be performed without using reference points. When automatic mode is selected, artificial intelligence algorithms independently select the optimal alignment method, choosing one of 3 possible modes, and perform registration by 4 points, by planes, or by points and planes. The set of tools for processing aerial laser scanning data allows you to precisely align adjacent point clouds and perform high-quality image orthotransformation. By using pairs of corresponding points and pre-calibrating the camera, the system ensures maximum accuracy and stability of the final result. Aside from its impressive functionality, nanoCAD 3D Scan is highly affordable, with an annual subscription starting at just $1,499. The subscription includes technical support and upgrades throughout the entire period. Try a 30-day trial period of nanoCAD 3D Scan now to experience its benefits firsthand.